Wyatt, honey, why don't you keep that on the paper, okay? Why? Wyatt, on the paper, bud. On the paper. Hayden, what you doing? I think it looks beautiful. I think it looks awesome. Hold on. I think we're done painting. What do you think?